Today we're making videos with Sora, no limits and no watermark.
You shouldn't be here. Hands where I can see them. Target down. Send medical, now.
As you can see, Sora makes everything possible. Its performance is truly outstanding. Today, I'm going to show you how, using a powerful platform, you can get Sora, plus lots of other video generators and useful tools, unlimited and watermark free. Trust me, you'll find it exciting.
I'm Daniel, a 2D and 3D animator.
And I'm Ariana, a video editor and content creator. On this channel, we share our tips, tricks,
And experiences about making animations and videos.
especially with AI.
If you're into that, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really means a lot to us. As soon as you open Higgsfield.ai, you'll instantly feel like you've stepped into this massive, super diverse world of AI. Seriously, there's pretty much nothing in the world of AI content creation that isn't available here. You'll probably need quite a bit of time just to explore and test all the features once, so let's take a quick look around before we jump into the main part of this video, which is creating videos with Sora. You can see different AI models here, like Juan, which is absolutely amazing. I've already tested that one for you before. And the cool thing is, you can use it right alongside all the other models like Sora, Kling, Veo, and more, all in one place. You can create these awesome viral visual effects with different AI tools, and all it takes is just one simple image. This section right here generates super realistic influencer style photos, really natural looking, and actually very useful. You've also got tons of templates for stuff like animated posters, ASMR videos, bullet time scenes, ads, basically any kind of viral content you can think of. The variety is insane and the quality is top-notch. One of my favorite parts is the camera control feature. You can literally pick your camera style and generate your video with it. Then there's the viral and action movement section, which is perfect for making trendy short videos for Instagram, TikTok, and other social platforms. The templates here are super fun and everything works perfectly with just one click. Same goes for the UGC and commercial sections. Tons of awesome and practical templates that are really easy to use. Now, the Pro Tools for creating and editing images and videos are up in the top menu, and I'll show you a few of them later on in the video. But for now, let's focus on the main thing, Sora 2. When you click on Sora 2, you'll get into Higgsfield's powerful video generator. This tool is seriously next level. By hitting change, you can switch between different models. Besides Sora 2, you'll also see Higgsfield, Veo 3.1, Kling, Juan 2.5, Minimax, and a few others. I'll test some of those later too. There are also two other really fun features, Draw to Video and Sketch to Video, where you can literally create a full video just from a simple doodle or sketch. Alright, let's start by testing text to video. All you need to do is write your prompt using the special Sora structure, which I've got here for you. You start with the subject, setting, and motion, and then add all the extra details after that. That way, you'll get way better results and save a ton of time. You can also check out detailed info about each AI model here, but for now, we're going to stick with Sora. Some of them even have this unlimited option, which takes a little longer to generate, but the good thing is it doesn't use up your credits. The duration can go up to 12 seconds, which is pretty nice. You can actually generate 2 videos at the same time, so I'm going to use the exact same prompt and run it once more, this time with Sora 2 Pro, just to see the difference in speed and quality. As you can see, this one starts generating much faster than the previous version, and it'll definitely be ready sooner. But honestly, even in the free mode, it doesn't take long at all for the video to finish rendering. Alright, let's check out the results.
You made this extra chocolatey, didn't you?
Of course. It's the only way to survive a night like this.
Well, mission accomplished. It's perfect.
Cheers to hibernating till spring.
Cheers.
It's the perfect night for this.
Hot cocoa and snow?
Yeah.
Pretty much unbeatable.
Thanks for coming over. I didn't want to spend another Friday scrolling on my phone.
It looks amazing, and as you can see, there's no watermark on it either. The videos are in 720p, but you can easily generate them in 1080p or even use the enhanced quality option. And if you notice any small issues, you can simply regenerate it and fix them right away. There are actually 2 more versions of Sora here, both with higher quality and faster generation. And yep, I tested those too.
beautiful. It's like it's made of light. What is it?
I don't know. It's beautiful. It's coming closer.
Do you think it wants to say hello?
Maybe let's stay still.
That spike wasn't in the model. That's impossible.
Next, let's test image to video and check out the quality. You can either upload your own image or just create one right here. I'm going to use Higgsfield's image generator, so I can show you that as well. With this image generator, you can create images using models like Nano Banana, Seed Reams, Flux, and even GPT. Each one has its own unique settings, but in short, you can go up to 4K quality, use multi-reference, and even keep consistent characters across your creations. I'll test a few of them so you can see how they turn out. There are also other tools for image creation and editing up in the image tab, and honestly, they're all really advanced and useful. Now, let's take the image we just made and drop it into the video generator. Once you write your prompt, just hit generate and you're good to go.
Dispatch, this is Unit 12. Suspect vehicle still eastbound lane 2. Attempting PIT. Stand by. Contact.
Another super fun and impressive feature is Sora 2 Trends. It comes packed with viral presets that are ready to use. You'll find tons of styles, the kind of short videos that are trending right now and getting tons of views on social media.
I've got it. Whoa, spicy. Coming back.
Whatever it is, he kills to protect it.
And we take it from him.
All you need to do is pick the platform you're making the video for, then write your prompt. In the visuals and sound section, you can adjust the style, effects, background music, language, and even the voiceover, just by describing what you want. Let's test a few of these as well.
You shouldn't be here. Hands where I can see them. Target down. Send medical, now.
Berlin, you ready for this drop? Let's go!
Overall, I think Higgsfield is super practical and cost efficient. It's a great platform for anyone who's into AI video creation. It really helps you speed things up while keeping your quality high. Hope you guys found this helpful. Until next time, stay creative.